wanted to work for YSL because the brand is very daring and sexy. It's got a very Parisian feel to it.
YSL Beauty is daring, audacious, and fearless.
It represents edgy, bold attitude.
YSL Beauty is for people who want to make a statement with their look. A typical day at work is all about connecting with my clients.
It's all about building relationships.
I love helping clients find products that will give them a whole new attitude. When I'm not helping clients, I'm ensuring that the displays look flawless.
I'm also connecting with clients over the phone.
I don't mind working the nights and weekends because I love our team.
Sometimes I work nights and weekends, but that's okay because I get to work with a different set of customers.
Before I worked with YSL Beauty, I did have experience with a couple of other brands.
I didn't have any experience in the beauty industry, but I did have luxury experience in the sales world.
When I joined the brand, I went to a 3-day YSL Beauty introduction. It was a great way to get training on makeup, skincare, and fragrance products. Something unique that YSL does is host beauty consultant summits twice a year. We learn about new products, artistry, and selling techniques.
The brand is great at educating us about new trends, but I'm also active on social media.
I follow YSL Beauty, Instagram, Facebook, and WeChat.
I follow YSL Beauty on Instagram and Facebook, and we have a group where we all stay connected and share our stories. I want to hit my sales goal, but I really feel successful when my clients leave happy.
I feel really successful when my clients leave with a smile.
There are so many opportunities for advancement at YSL Beauty. 2 years ago, I was promoted from beauty consultant to senior beauty consultant.
If you have a passion for beauty,
If you love making people feel confident and sexy,
If you love to stand out in the crowd,
then YSL Beauty is the brand for you.